It is morning rush hour at Paddington Station in central London, and the 0806 Thames train service to Bedwyn leaves on time. At Reading Station, another train is also leaving and is heading off to Paddington. It is the 0809 Great Western train service to London Paddington from Swansea. The tracks between Paddington and Ladbroke Grove Junction on the Great Western Main Line are actually bidirectional, meaning that signals allow trains to travel on the same tracks in any directions. Because of that, the Great Western High-Speed train and Thames train are actually on the same track, on the opposite direction. But this is actually not a problem and does happen regularly. To rectify that situation, one of the two trains just has to be stopped at the junction whilst the other train is redirected on the correct tracks. Normally, the high-speed train is given priority during these operations. However, this morning, the Thames train overruns the red signal and accelerates past it. A collision is now unavoidable between the Thames train and the high-speed train, so the signallers have to react quickly to minimize its impact. They try to stop the high-speed train at a red signal, but react too late, and the driver of the high-speed train doesn't notice it. At 8 o'clock and 9 minutes, the high-speed train and the Thames train collide head-on at a speed of over 80 miles per hour, or 130 kilometers an hour. As the train derailed because of the collision, overhead wires were taken down, and these ignited one of the damaged diesel tanks of the high-speed train. Because of that, a major fire breaks out. This crash, known as the Paddington Rail Crash, or the Ladbroke Grove Junction Rail Crash, killed 31 people, including the driver of both trains, as well as one of the deaths being caused by the fire that broke out. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, then please consider subscribing and leaving a like, as well as sharing this video. Thanks for watching.